This is a classic hummus recipe. I really hope you try it. It's so good, easy, and it's definitely a crowd pleaser. I know tahini isn't easily available at every grocery store, but you could always order it online. And that's fresh garlic that I'm adding right now, and throwing it back in there. I don't know if you noticed that. Love this new gadget that I have. If you don't have a immersion blender, no worries, just use your regular old blender that you have. Forgot to add sea salt earlier, my bad. And just make sure there's no lumps in there, and make sure it's nice and creamy and smooth. And that's pretty much it. It's done. I'm just gonna add some olive oil and some paprika for presentation. Enjoy.